In this video, we've got the area of parallelograms and triangles using the cross product. Hopefully this is a nice cruisy one. If you want, you can actually think about why this might be true, knowing that A cross B is AB sine theta from the last video. So you could try and do that as a little proof if you want. But all you do is you calculate the cross product and then you calculate the modulus, and that's pretty much it. So A and B. So you've got A cross B, without modulus quite yet, is IJK. And then you got to put the two vectors over each other. 412 minus 101. Then that becomes I lots of 1201. Take J lots of 42 minus 11 plus K lots of 41 minus 10. Wonderful. Just work out those determinants pretty much. So that's 1 take 0. This is 4 plus 2. And then with the K vector, that's 0 plus 1. So this vector is 1 minus 6, 1. Now, if we want to calculate the modulus, we can do that. Mod of A cross B is root of 1 squared minus 6 squared and 1 squared. So that is root of 38 units. And that also happens to be the area. Done. So you can probably see why cross products can be quite useful. Okay, it's an area, so it's also square units. Consider these 3 points. We could sketch them out and make a triangle, but we really don't need to. You got P, Q, and R. All we need to have are two vectors along the triangle. Really importantly, those two vectors need to point out from a single point, both pointing away from the point. So we've got the easiest ones to pick pretty much always are PQ and PR. So those are the two vectors we're interested in. You could pick a whole bunch of different vectors. You could go like QP and QR, but I always go with these just to be consistent. So PQ is 3 to 2 is minus 1, 1 to minus 2 is minus 3, 4 to 2 is minus 2. And then PR is going to be 3 to 0 is minus 3, 1 to minus 5 is minus 6, and 4 to 6 is 2. Now, depending exactly how you pick your vectors, you might end up with a lot of minuses like I've got, but it's fine. It should still all work. You just got to be very careful when you do the cross product because there's so many minuses that it can be easy to make a mistake. I'm actually going to use my little trick. I won't bother writing out the determinant. I'll just imagine I, J, and K because I've strategically drawn the vectors on top of each other. It's a good way to like save yourself a bit of time in an exam or something. Minus 3, 2, minus 2, 6. Take J. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3, 2. Plus K. So that's minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 6. Okay, so that is going to be minus 6. There's 3 negatives there. So there's a negative from the formula and then the 2. So it will be a take 12. This is minus 2, 1, 2, 3. So take 6. And then plus K. That becomes positive 6. Take 9. So this is minus 18i plus 8j because it was minus 8 and then there's a minus in front of the j as well. Take 3k. There we go. So this is the vector minus 18, 8, minus 3. All right, mod of PQ cross PR is square root of all that. And that's something we can chuck into a calculator and see what that is. root of 397. Now, the actual area, because it's a triangle, we got to put a half in front as well. Done.